Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Internet time sync in Windows 11, 10 not working fix. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Time Service, change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Windows Time, click Restart. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, W32 time. Type W32 TM space, /unregister. Type W32 TM space, /register. Type net space, start space, W32 time. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Date and Time. Click Change Settings. Change another server, click Update Now. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.